What's up, guys? So I've been immersed in crypto testing platforms for approximately 9 years now, and honestly, finding legitimate services has become extraordinarily challenging. The internet's absolutely saturated with fraudulent operations, YouTube-sponsored content, paid Google placements, influencer promotions. It's all mostly scams. Realistically, I'd say 87% of flashusdt services are fraudulent operations. Locating trustworthy providers feels practically impossible nowadays. But a handful of legitimate ones still operate if you're willing to invest time verifying thoroughly. flashusdt stands among the rare platforms that's actually proven reliable consistently. Been working with them around 36 months now, full 3 years. So before, let me break down how flashusdt technology actually operates when properly implemented. You're generating tokens that replicate genuine Tether flawlessly within your wallet interface. Identical visual branding, but the customization layer differentiates them. You're establishing transfer count limits, defining duration parameters, setting daily transaction thresholds. Incredibly valuable for application testing, demonstrating blockchain operations hands-on, exploring DeFi scenarios risk-free, keeping real funds completely separate. So let me show this functioning in real time. Okay, first choice is token quantity. 4-tier packages displaying, each shows cost structure and intended applications. I'll grab this tier. Nice. Now configuring visibility duration, options spanning 1 hour through 7 days. In this demonstration, setting 6 hours. Good. Next, I'm inputting target address and selecting generation network. Okay, going TRC20, then jumping to wallet, copying address, switching back, pasting. Yeah, perfect. Aligns properly. And last move is clicking Buy Flash. So payment routes available are direct transfer or wallet linking. So give me a minute for paying. And yep, excellent. 100K tokens generated and dispatched, waiting for balance confirmation. So while confirmation happens, let me explain why this specific platform has my trust. And it's entirely rooted in getting burned by fraudulent services multiple times before discovering something legitimate. So by the time I eventually discovered flashusdt, my methodology had evolved into a much more intensive verification-first approach before any trust or financial commitment. First verification step, generated absolute minimum quantity available, immediately verified transaction hash through TronScan independently from their platform, confirmed genuine legitimate smart contract deployment, validated through actual decentralized network nodes, real verifiable blockchain activity occurring transparently and publicly. Second verification, engage their support with specific detailed technical questions before making any purchase, received comprehensive human-authored responses within 8 hours addressing every single inquiry thoroughly and knowledgeably. Third validation step, researched independent community discussions extensively across Reddit, specialized crypto forums, Telegram groups, located genuine users sharing specific detailed experiences with verifiable transaction hashes, proving legitimacy, not manufactured fake testimonials. Started with the smallest available tier, conducted exhaustive, comprehensive testing over 16 weeks before scaling any commitment upward. Scam operation sophistication has increased dramatically over years. Many fraudulent platforms now exhibit more professional polish and credibility than actual legitimate services display. Your protection comes entirely from verification habits and practices, not trusting professional appearances or slick marketing. Always independently verify blockchain activity through public explorers before trusting any platform whatsoever. If transactions they claim exist don't appear in publicly accessible blockchain explorers, anyone worldwide can independently verify it's fraud, regardless of how convincing their interface appears or how professional their branding looks. Legitimate operations operate with complete, absolute transparency because genuine blockchain activity is occurring publicly with nothing requiring concealment. Understanding pricing psychology matters critically. Sophisticated scammers deliberately employ premium pricing strategies specifically to appear more legitimate and established, while delivering absolutely zero actual value or functionality. So, links in the pinned comment and description. Share your findings after testing. See you guys.